going for like an underwater, kind of like aquatic theme.
We have blue like windows right here made from Jolly Ranchers. We're doing the house from Home Alone. So I'm just gonna sketch out where the windows are supposed to be.
So we're starting by putting our frosting on the roof.
And this will prevent your gingerbread house from sliding down.
And this class is trying to make the end of the year very fun and stress-free by building a gingerbread house.
She's able to answer literally any question we have, so we wouldn't be able to do this without her. We've had to overcome some challenges, but exciting project. There's not a lot of pressure.
Probably how we get to work together with our friends and become creative.